Apparently it killed somebody and they hung it. Not a pleasant story.
No. Okay, I'm on a day trip, not too far from the house. We're headed to Erwin, Tennessee to Steel Rail Coffee Company. And with me, or I'm with him, is my brother Johnny. Can you tell me why you wanted to come to this particular coffee house?
Yeah, I got a gift from one of my students from a Bible study fellowship class, and it was very good coffee. And so instead of Starbucks, I don't know if I should say Starbucks.
Well, it's okay.
You'll edit that out. Anyway, so I want to come over here and buy some coffee from it's a local shop, local business, and we need to support them.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go in.
All right.
We're just going to walk the street to see what's down here, downtown Erwin. Now Erwin is famous for that elephant that they hung. Do you know the story on that?
Apparently it killed somebody and they hung it. Not a pleasant story.
No. This is Bleu. Mercantile. Let's see if they're open and what they got inside. I wonder why. Oh, look how cute. Hey, do you like to be petted? National Bank building.
Really good.
What's it called?
Just your Yeti, typical Yeti.
Baker's Shoe Repair and Saddle Shop. So if you've got a horse saddle that needs repaired, this is the place to come. I think I'll go in today. He's in there working though. We're here in the, what's the name of this shop?
Baker's Shoe Repair and Saddle Shop.
Okay, and I'm talking to the owner, Tony, Tony Baker, and he can tell you how long they've been in business and what all they do here.
Yeah, well, we've been in business here now for 43 years. We do shoe repair. It's our primary business, but we do a lot of saddle work. And we make a few different things. We do belts, wallets, Bible covers, gun holsters, knife sheaths. We do some shaving kits. We make dog collars, guitar straps, just all kinds of leather craft.
Bible covers, did you say that?
Yeah, we do Bible covers also. We measure a Bible and then make them to fit. We've got a choice of several different designs that we do.
I'm sure you customize it if they want it with a name or something on it, or initials or something. And you said your uncle started this shop? Or?
Yeah, my uncle started the business back in late 1800s, and it went through 2 generations. My uncle was a Seavers on my mother's side, same Seaver that has Seaver's Bakery in Jonesboro, and it was that generation. And so I bought the shop from Bob Macurier. Macurier bought it from Seavers, and he operated it as a shoe repair and harness shop. And then we got it and did a shoe repair and saddle shop. So Bob Macurier was real instrumental and skilled and taught me a lot. And, it was really enjoyable working under him. But prior to here, I worked in Gatlinburg for a couple of years. My wife and I did. And we went to school in Knoxville that taught shoe repair.
Oh.
And thought I knew it all, but after I got the shop, Bob showed me how little I really knew. So now 43 years later, I'm still learning.
Yeah, isn't that how it is when you first get out of school and you think, well, I know it all now.
Yeah, I thought I had arrived. Yeah, so it's been fun though. It's a lot of fun. The work is great. And let me show you one of the Bible covers that we do.
Okay. Wow, that is pretty.
Most common designs. It's a cross and dove.
I like that.
We've done, and it's all hand carved into the leather. And on the inside, then we do a sleeve for just slipping it on. So we do that. That's one of our designs we do.
I like that.
We've also got a sword.
Those are pretty. Beautiful work.
And we can do any wording that somebody wants on it.
Yeah. About what's the price range for those?
Price range starts around $79 to $150, right in that category.
But they will last forever and be something that you can hand down, from generation to generation.
Oh, yeah. We do these pocketbooks. That's some different ones we do.
Neat. Several different designs.
This is also one that we just finished doing for a lady.
That's nice.
Put a pocket on it, and we got 2 or 3 different colors that we can do with it.
Well, Johnny's found him a belt, it looks like.
Oh, good. We also do like resoling. Let me show you these real quick too if you're putting it on. But we do.
Wow, resoling of the boots.
Vibram soles that we do, and we'll clean them up and everything. This pair was almost shot, but these were his favorite pair.
Wow, they look
So-
new now.
Yeah, well,
Do you, are those belonging to someone or do you sell them?
No, we don't sell them. They all do belong to somebody.
Check the front porch. There's Skipper. Nico back there with you? Everything on the porch seems to be intact, nothing blown off. It's still windy and the rain is getting on me. Hey girl. Did you get showered in that rain? Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the trip to Erwin with us today, and the coffee shop and the saddle repair and shoe repair shop was very interesting. And we got home and a huge windstorm blew up, and we thought the trees were going to come down around the house, but anyway, my brother jumped in the car so he could get back home before it got any worse, and he made it home safely. But Erwin is known for a town that hung an elephant. It's not a good thing to be remembered by, and for years, decades, they have tried to erase that memory. And as an animal lover, it's hard for me to even talk about that story. But the elephant's name was Mary, and it's an interesting story, and I will link it in the comments section below this video. So if you're interested in reading about the history of that story, check that link out. And hope you all enjoyed the time with us today. We had a good time. It just took a few hours away from home to drive over there and get back. And Johnny bought him some coffee that he liked. So anyway, we'll see you all next time, and thanks for watching. God bless you all.